Welcome everyone. The question that is shown on the screen, it is from the CBSE sample paper 2025, question number 2. It is from the electric potential. A conducting wire connects two charged conducting spheres of radii R1 and R2 such that they attain equilibrium with respect to each other. Here, to attaining the equilibrium with respect to each other, what does it mean? If you say this is one sphere and this is of radius r1, and if you say this is another one sphere, this is of radius r2, this is r1 and this one is of radius r2, and if both the spheres are connected with the help of the conducting wire, then what will happen? Their potentials are same. Okay, maybe the charges in both of the spheres are different, okay, but their potentials are same, v1 equal to v2, because they attain equilibrium. Which type of equilibrium? Because no type of charge transfer occurs here. Distance of separation between the two spheres is very large compared to their either of their radii. Okay, we have considered that one perfectly. The ratio of the magnitudes of the electric field at the surfaces of the spheres of the radius r1 and r2 are r1 by r2, r2 by r1, r2 square by r1 square, and r1 square by r2 square. These options are given here. So obviously, if we remember, electric field for a sphere of radius r at any point outside, it is q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught small r square, all smaller greater than equal to r. And if small r is less than equal to capital R, that is inside the radius, then electric field is 0. But on the same note, if you want to find it out, what is the potential, that is q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught smaller for small r greater than capital R, q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught capital R, okay, that is for small r equal to r, and at any point inside the same value remains because the potential is constant. So we can say that is for small r less than equal capital R. Very interesting thing. For small r greater than equal to capital R, the electric field is q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. For small r less than equal to capital R, potential is q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r. This is our recapitulations. Here the potentials are same. Okay, so we can say here on the surface q1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r1 should be equal to q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r2. Obviously here I want to say the potentials are different, that is not equal, because depending on the size, shape, capacity, the amount of charge contained in it, even the potentials are same. Okay, the values are same, that are different because the radiuses are different. Okay, if there is a sphere of very big radius, it contains more charge. Okay, it is something like you can, I think you can remember that thing. One thing is called the temperature, another thing is called the heat. Okay, if a body having the same temperature, it does not mean that heat content is same. Okay, or if you give the same heat to the two different bodies but they are not identical in size and shape, obviously their temperatures are different. Okay, so similarly we can think that here potential is something, we can say that it is basically says us about the amount of charge content of within it. Okay, so from this 4 pi epsilon naught can be cancelled out, and this becomes q1 divided by r1 equal to q2 divided by r2. Q1 by R1 equal to Q2 by R2. What is the ratio of the magnitudes of the electric field at the surfaces of the sphere of radius R1 and R2? Okay, so let us write it down, the ratio. E1 divided by E2. What is E1? Electric field for the sphere of radius R1. E2 is electric field for the sphere of radius R2. So we can say that is Q1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R1 square, because small r1 is a radius here. Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r2 square. Okay, so this will become Q1 divided by Q2 multiplied by 4 pi epsilon naught r2 square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r1 square. So 4 pi epsilon naught just cuts out. Okay, what is Q1 by Q2? So from these expressions, Q1 by Q2, if I want to calculate, Q1 by Q2 will be R1 divided by R2. Now if I put it here, R1 divided by R2, if I put it here, then it will be R2 square divided by R1 square. So that will become R2 divided by R1. So obviously option B is the correct option here. Thank you all of you.